Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to download Chatgpt in iPhone 7 and start using it right away for all your AI chat needs. Let's begin with the easiest way to access Chatgpt using a web browser. First, open any browser on your iPhone. Then, go to the official OpenAI website. Once you're there, just tap the Try Chatgpt button and you can start chatting directly from your browser. Now, let's look at the better and more convenient method, which is using the Chatgpt app. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Chatgpt and download the app developed by OpenAI. This is the official app and works perfectly on iPhone 7. Once the app is installed, open it. Then, tap on the Sign Up button to create your account. You'll need to enter your email, create a password, and confirm your email through a link sent to your inbox. After that, enter your phone number and type in the 6-digit code you received to complete verification. Now log into your account using your new credentials. You can start typing prompts into the chat box, and Chatgpt will generate responses for you. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar that keeps track of all your past conversations, making it easy to go back and review them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.